Welcome back to Marketplace Mastery. I'm Mike Shellback. We're going to go over making changes with policies now. It's going to happen a lot. You're going to have clients that give you an income and then call you back and forget something, or get a new job or lose a job. You're going to have to make changes to the plans. You're going to have issues where you spelled something wrong. You're going to have issues where you may have wrote down the wrong date of birth or social. So you're going to have to make changes. Let's show you how to do it. It's not too difficult, but let's go ahead and show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up, I'm sure you guessed it, Health Sherpa, right? You're going to go ahead and log in and go to your dashboard. And then from there, you have a few options. Okay, so let's start with this. If you had to make a basic change for a client, like let's say you wanted to change their income, you wanted to change their address, you can do most changes directly through Health Sherpa, but there are a few circumstances where you're going to have to use the healthcare.gov redirect, and that's going to be for date of birth of the primary member and social for the primary member. If either one of those are wrong, you're going to find that if you go through healthcare.gov, it's the only way of changing it. If you log in, let's just say through Health Sherpa, I'll show you in a second what happens, but what we're going to see is we're going to see that it's going to be blocked out, and we're not going to be able to make any changes. Like, look, let me show you. So I'm logging in right now to the application very simply, and as you see, the date of birth and the social are both X'd out. So if you only have access to this, you're going to go, oh my God, what's going on? And that's not necessary. So basically what you need to do, if this was to happen, let's get out of here, go back. We're going to use the old-fashioned redirect by searching the marketplace, and then you're going to come down here to search. Again, remember, this searches Health Sherpa's way. But if you want to search the marketplace through healthcare.gov, you gotta go through this redirect. So you click onto here, and that will bring you directly to the healthcare.gov redirect. Perfect. That's pretty much it. From this redirect, you can virtually change anything. All right, guys, have a good one.